welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to dive right into this. This is quite a big deal, and Capture One have just released a new update. As a professional beauty photographer, I really benefit from this update, and I just wanted to go through it today very quickly just to show you what this update's all about. Now let's just jump over to their website. So retouch easily, build sessions, but I'm not going to go into the session side of things. I'm just going to go into the retouching because this is, I just loosely use the terminology, this is a game changer. It actually is for photographers like myself. So before, after, let's zoom in, and genuinely, I am like beyond impressed with the level and the quality of retouching this can actually achieve. There's a few things we need to go over here because this is a huge leap forward for a piece of software like Capture One. And if you do something similar to what I do, if you shoot portraiture, if you shoot beauty, if you shoot fashion, and if you make extra money from your retouching post shoot, then this is something you need to have a little listen to, because obviously if you're on your shoot and you show your client that this software can retouch skin as easily as this, then you're probably going to lose that part of your workflow. And yeah, not only is this going to cut down on work for retouchers, this is going to also probably lose you a bit of cash if, as I said, you're the kind of person that retouches your images in-house. All right, raw image. This is a Nikon file. This is NEF raw file. This is how it was shot. We go over to the retouch panel. It's going to quickly analyze this frame. It's going to see where the face is. And then we can use these sliders. It's going to get rid of the dark circles under the eyes. It's going to even out the skin. And it's going to even give you a bit more texture in the skin. And that's something that I really have called for quite a while, because I don't like blurred skin. And this, let's just zoom in. We're retaining texture and we're adding a bit of texture, and it's natural texture. And then also we can give a bit of contouring. So we park it up about there. I think that looks pretty good. Let's reset that so you can see what it was like. Oh, actually we can do it before and after, but the before was underexposed. So you're gonna have to go with my underexposed version. Isn't that incredible? That is all being done inside Capture One. Now I'm interested to hear what you think about this in the comments below, because I want to support my retouchers. I want to support all the crew that go towards finishing images on a professional level. And this is just another AI advance that is going to allow you to create really polished images, like on site, on set. And again, here we go. Right. So with a few, like literally like 4 seconds, I have cleaned up this image. So imagine I'm on this full screen now. Imagine I'm on a campaign shoot, a beauty campaign shoot, and I apply this. The client's going to look at it and go, well, hang on a second, you just did that in 4 seconds. Why do I have to wait a week for our retouching and pay in excess of however many hundreds of pounds to get that professionally retouched when I'm really happy with those results? I mean, look at the quality in the skin. So I strongly suggest you consider this as something that, I don't know, I need your opinion on this. It's really important, because I think we're at a crossroads in terms of what this type of software should be doing. And I'm not quite sure whether we should be having this level of advances inside essentially a industry standard level piece of raw capture software that's used on set. I'm genuinely concerned now as a professional that people are losing their jobs based on the fact that this AI software is so absolutely amazing, as you can see here. All I'm saying now is I'm genuinely impressed with what this is doing, and I'm sure you will be too, but I'm sure you'll be a little bit shocked about how good this actually is. So yeah, this is me reaching out and supporting retouchers, because I'm sure you're all terrified, basically, and me making this and showing you that it's so easy to do this now. Let's just show you how easy it is to retouch this picture. So there she is with her blemishes. We go to the retouch pane and we ramp up the blemishes. Blemishes have gone. Dark circles under the eyes. No longer. Even the skin out. Okay. Texture in the skin. And then contouring. I would actually, if my retoucher sent that back in about 4 or 5 days after I briefed them to retouch this picture, I'd be like, well, you've done an amazing job. Took me 4 seconds to do that inside Capture One. Totally scary. Okay, so I am interested, as I said, to hear your comments below. Is this something you're going to use? Is this something that's going to possibly lose you money? I want to hear everyone's opinion on this. It's going to be really interesting, because where do we stop inside? You know, these are raw files, by the way. We're retouching raw files inside Capture One. You can export these as TIFFs or JPEGs like this. And apart from this scar here, which, to be honest, with all the natural sort of advances in trends and things, the client would ask me to leave that scar in. So this image is probably pretty much good to go. So as I said, yeah, leave the comments below. Let me hear what you are thinking about AI retouching inside something like Capture One and AI retouching in general. Is it something that we are embracing, or is it something that we're worried about that's going to lose jobs in our industry? Because we need to hang on to those. Obviously, we're on a big boom at the moment with AI, but we need to just manage it a little bit better. So thank you very much for watching. Yeah, interested to hear your comments below. And hopefully I'll see you in another video soon. Bye for now.